If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. There is a saying that says that a house is made with walls and beams, and a home is built with love and dreams. Today we're here at one such plush Mumbai home at Ashford Royale. Hello everyone, welcome back to DesignCafe's YouTube channel. I'm Ananya, Jois, your interior architect, here today to give you a tour of this lavish and trendy 3000 square feet 4 BHK home in Mumbai. But before I show you more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to not miss an update. The entrance of the home can give us a good glimpse into the rest of the home. Here, one cannot miss this bold yet striking entryway, be it the rafters or this plethora of materials on display for this feature wall, or even this very adorable mural of Krishna. The large living and dining space in this entire home is such a classy affair, with marble finish for the walls adorned with brass t-Patti in rose gold. Another chic addition is this mauve sofa, which I absolutely love. Now the TV unit is kept fairly simple but done in lacquered glass, which is a very premium finish. But most importantly, the highlighting feature of this entire home is definitely the lighting design. Even though there's lots of natural sunlight gushing in through this entire balcony door, we've paid attention to the ambient and accent lighting through the chandeliers, the strip lights, and even the spotlights for the entire home. Mirrors are something that gives an instantaneously luxurious feeling to any space. Here, it's just an extension of the already oozing luxury. Now, a beveled mirror in front of a dining space is also Vastu compliant. You can watch our Vastu tips video, which is linked here, to know more. The crockery unit here is loaded with storage, done in lacquered glass finish, the same as the TV unit. The dining table here is done in marble finish, and the wood is great for families to come together for brunches or dinner. This parallel kitchen done in high gloss laminate finish is fully loaded from floor to ceiling. We've used a rare combination with this white and blue in checkered pattern, which is not commonly seen. This kitchen has two tall units, one which is the pantry unit, which is loaded again with lots of drawers for storage, and another tall unit on this side for the appliances like oven, mixie and more. There's absolutely no dearth for storage, with so many accessories, wicker baskets, tandem boxes, drawers and more. The master bedroom starts with this large floor-to-ceiling wardrobe that is amplifying the look of the space. Also, the huge mirror that we have on this wall is making this wardrobe look twice as big as it really is. Since there was a mirror and we lacked a dresser, we've given this push-to-open counter, which can be used as a dressing table. There's another subtle yet interesting feature in this master bedroom. Do you think this is the only wallpaper that is used in this bedroom? Well, you're wrong. Every single wall of this bedroom has been covered in textured finish fabric wallpaper. This is perfectly matching with the laminate that has been used for the storage, TV, wardrobe, etc. This bedroom, done in sober and elegant manner, is for their son. Since there's so much natural light in the room throughout the day, we've used light natural colors to make sure that it doesn't glare. Be it the bluish grey fabric for the headboard and curtain, or the oak finish rafters on the wall and ceiling, or even the leather finish wallpaper, all of these are highlighting features that are making this room look gorgeous. This bold and ultra-chic room in the combination of blue and yellow is done for the daughter's bedroom. Now the plush Mumbai home feeling has been continued even in this room by using marble finish along with leather for the headboard. What was supposed to be an ordinary guest bedroom has now been turned into a multifunctional room. On this side, we have a Murphy bed, which is a sofa cum bed where the bed comes down and it can be turned into a good queen size bed when there are guests around. On the other side of the room, we have a large dresser along with some storage, and here's the highlighting feature, the beautiful Mandir. This is the perfect combination of contemporary with traditional style. This has an onyx backing and also a jali on this side. Another highlighting feature is this limited edition wallpaper from Marshalls, which is used to match with the Pooja Mandir. On the other side, we have a large library unit, which is great to display all their book collection. Home is meant to be a magical place, and with a house this gorgeous, there's not a doubt about that. Hit like if you agree and enjoy the tour of this gorgeous home. If you're looking to get your dream home done, you can find the link in the description box below. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to not miss an update. Until next time, take care. See you all.